This is a Kendall Homes plan Coleman. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,250 square feet. Huge lot. This is 100 wide and about 300 deep. 3-car garage. Let's go inside and take a look. Nice. Wow, this area is really wide. Okay, we got bedroom. Man, there's a lot of light in here. Look at that. Coat closet or regular closet. Bedroom 2. Oh wow, it's got a window in there. How cool is that? Big bathroom. Linen area over here, toilet. Ah, this is nice. This hall tree here. Utility room. So you can put a wash machine, a dryer, and probably even like a fridge here. And it's coming right off the garage. This is a 3-car garage. Wow. An area back there for your tools and all that stuff. Well, here, bedroom 3. This is a big room. And a big closet too. Full bathroom. Wow. Built-in appliances, that's nice. Pantry, fridge will go there. Eating area over here. Big living room. Wow, you never see that anymore, wood burning. Let's go outside. This lot goes way back there. Look at that 4-sided brick. And this is the primary. Boy, oh boy, that's nice. deep closet. Wow, look at that. Boy, that's really nice too. Look. Ooh. And the toilet has a door. And there you have it. Kendall Homes Plan, Coleman. If you have any questions about it, let me know.